Hi guys, so today I'm gonna tell you about how my dad sneezes. It's like they're summoning a demon or something. So I'm gonna show you how this actually happens. It's like very annoying, like really annoying sometimes. But yeah, so let's get into the video. Mom, I am sleepy. Okay, it's already 10 o'clock. It's getting too late. Let's go to sleep. Okay, let's go to sleep. ஐயோ இப்படியா தூங்குவாங்க